Hello, and thanks for watching. Today I've got something from my own collection. It's a replica rivet as used on the Titanic. So it's something that I've been wanting for some time and eventually managed to get hold of. So it's quite a solid piece of metal, about 11 centimetres long, overall length. Just over 25 millimetres in diameter for the actual rivet shaft size, and it weighs about 528 grams. That's well over a pound in the old weight. I think there are about 3 million of them used on Titanic, with a total weight of about 1,200 tonnes. So yeah, quite solid. So anyway, I just thought I'd like to show you that. I quite like that yeah, rivet from well, a replica rivet as used on Titanic. So yeah, thanks for watching.